Developing tonight, fear and concern after a juror gets a letter from the killer she helped convict. And some say the message inside isn't the only cause for concern. NBC 10 Boston's Alicia Palumbo reports from Brentwood, New Hampshire.
I think it's very unsettling from a juror's perspective.
A chilling letter sent to a jury foreperson from the man she and her fellow jurors convicted of first-degree murder and arson just weeks earlier. The 3-page letter, handwritten by 38-year-old Richard Moore, starts out, "I am just trying to find out what the thought process was in finding me guilty. I am not mad at you or any of the jury. I'm mad at my lawyers." Moore is currently serving a life sentence for the stabbing death of his girlfriend Joanne Boucher and subsequent fire set in her Danville, New Hampshire home. In the letter, he tries to convince the juror of his innocence, writing, "If I killed Joanne on Friday, September 2nd, 2016 and burnt her body on that day, how is it that I have witnesses and receipts proving where I was at the time this guy smells her body being burnt? Then how can I do it?"
There's no doubt that this would have a chilling effect for individuals who might be called to serve on a jury.
Mass School of Law Dean Michael Coyne says jurors' names are often made public after the conclusion of a trial, but generally not their home addresses.
We know there's too much information publicly available, so when you have a name, it's relatively easy these days. Prisoners are allowed access to both the law library, and that would include access to the internet.
In a hearing Monday, prosecutors requested a restraining order against Moore to prevent him from accessing juror information and contacting jurors. Moore, meanwhile, requested new public defenders. A Rockingham County Superior Court judge is expected to issue a ruling in the coming days on concerns over Moore's letter and his request to have his public defenders withdrawn. In Brentwood, New Hampshire, Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.